Hello, I'm Shari. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm gonna start with my regular Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I did get the Ultimate. Didn't open it, but I seen the peaks to it, and I want to get this up today. It's gonna be super simple. Hopefully, we'll see. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and I'm gonna jump right into it. I already opened it, you know. I can never wait. Ipsy to you, from you. It's gonna look like this. It says discover yourself. This little orange packing thing just to protect your stuff. I like to use mine and not just waste it, so I wipe the powder off my brushes sometimes when I remember. Don't forget, the choice is yours. On October 23rd, you get to choose one of your Bag Plus products, and then using your Ipsy Match technology will build the rest of your bag to complement your choice, which I don't know. Just flaunt it. Let's start obsessing over what we love about ourselves. It's time to show off what makes you feel beautiful. Those lips, that skin. And who better than iconic beauty muse and confidence queen Betty Boop to inspire you to flaunt it unapologetically. Hashtag discover yourself. Inside we usually have all our products. Okay, so let's just get started. I'm just gonna go down the line. I got the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator. It's like a trip to the derm in a jar because it was developed by a mixture of lactic acid and microcrystals slew away the day to reveal brighter, tighter skin. A soothing blend of jojoba, chamomile, and aloe vera help reduce redness. Wow, look at that glow. $79. Would I ever pay that in real life? I don't know. But I'm going to give this a try. I love my skincare, I love exfoliators, but I prefer to have makeup. Second item we have is from Jolie Cosmetics, Spectra Stick in Stella. Named after the French word for pretty, Jolie creates one-of-a-kind high-quality products that inspire confidence. This universally flattering rose quartz highlighter infused with micro glitter that glides across cheekbones, flawlessly blending onto skin for a subtle dewy shimmer. You push it down and it pops out. And mine came, see in the inside there, it's not supposed to be like that. And I didn't powder my face or anything, so we're gonna give this a little try. I find with stuff like this, if you warm it up on your finger like that and then tap it on, it's cream, you know, so it'll work a lot better if you warm it up on your finger versus going in, because then you could take off, you know, whatever you have underneath. Isn't that pretty? Put a little bit up here, a little bit up here. I also wanted to ask, while I'm doing this, my auntie, her name is Bonnie, she was in an accident, a head-on with a semi. From what I know, she is pretty broken up. She has broken hip, broken pelvis, broken ribs. Like, I heard 4, and then I heard 8 broken ribs and cuts on her face. And I want to ask if anyone out there could just say a little prayer for my Auntie Bonnie. I'd really appreciate it. I know a lot of people watch me, you know me, and you must know my auntie, and I just wanted to put that out there. If you could just say a little prayer for my auntie, I'd really appreciate it. Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner in Carbon Black, valued at $22. Easy to hold pen, tapered brush, and smudge-free formula will help you ace your liner looks from fine lines to dramatic wings every time a peptide-based waterproof formula helps your liner in place and enhances your lash growth. Well, let's take a look at the tip anyway. The next thing we have is this Lovecraft Beauty bronzer palette. It says valued at $30. Inspired by New Orleans mysticism, makeup artist and founder Brandt Daly believes beauty is a connection to your inner magic. These matte bronzers easily blend and build to a natural sun-kissed glow and deftly double as eyeshadows. Lovecraft Beauty. Here's our bronzers. I didn't put bronzer on. I put cream bronzer on. Should I use this big brush? Yeah, let's go on with this one. Oh, I like that. Next, we have Miss Betty Boop by Ipsy That's So Betty Eyeshadow Palette. It's inspired by the iconic beauty muse Betty Boop. This Ipster exclusive eyeshadow palette is here to help you obsess over you with 8 buildable hues like shimmery champagne, powdery pink, and rich plum. These velvety shadows glide onto lids with ease. Here's the palette. Here is the palette. I don't think I have really any of these foil colors. I got this for an add-on. This is a Sigma brush. This is my first Sigma brush. Reminds me of this brush. This is the brush I got from Robin. The Dose of Color brush. Doesn't that look similar, or is that just me? Sigma E25 blending brush. Bottom of the box we have a little bag, a little Betty Boop bag. And it says Betty Boop by Ipsy. A cute little bag. Now let's play with this shadow. I'm gonna go in with this little matte pink one. Not gonna make anything, you know, super creative. Just gonna, and I saw all I have on my eyes is a little bit of concealer. What? Some underneath too. Gray shade right here. Same brush. I don't think I mentioned it, but I started this keto diet. It's my second day today on it. I found this really amazing support group where all these ladies have lost, like, you know, pounds, and they've gotten their health back, and some ladies aren't even on it, but they still will help you because they did their research. It may not have worked for them or whatever, but they all are so supportive. It's so cool to find that kind of support. I'm really happy that I found that, you know, people that will help you answer any questions you have about what you can and can't eat, and give you tips. They share these recipes, and that's really cool. Anyway, I'm gonna use this one here. I feel right at home with them. I feel accepted. Not sure where this look is gonna go, but do I ever know? Yeah, I'm not sure how much the box totaled up to, but I will put it in the description box So if you ever wonder, or if I ever forget, please remind me. Yeah, I don't mind doing that. Even what I have on, you know, I try to put that in the description box as of recently. Okay, I'm gonna take this brush. Doesn't look that clean, but compared to my other brushes, it looks pretty clean. I'm just gonna blend that a little bit. This is like a really good blending brush. I'm going with that pink right there. I don't think there should be any rules in makeup. Don't follow rules when it comes to makeup. I just do what makes me happy. I was gonna say too, I reached over 300 subscribers. I'm just waiting on something to come in the mail. And yeah, I will be having my 300 subscribers giveaway. And keep an eye on my videos. Crossing my eye. It's a really pretty purple. It might not look purple, but I'm telling you, it is purple. It's like a plum, like a deep purple. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Take some more of that pink. A little bit here. Oh my god, Bolly, get out of here. Okay, my hand is like dead right now. See this pretty shade here. Actually, I'm gonna try this right here. Brighten it up some anyway. Something like that. Going to that purple, pinky purple. This one for the inner. Like I want to layer them all, but look at that. It's like a... I'll put them. Okay, I'm gonna catch this eye up to this eye. Caught the eyes up. Put a little mascara on. A tad bit of liner, Hank and Henry, just to line. Try this one for the inner corner while we talk about this. What do I think of the box? I think it was good. For Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I thought it was good. Oh, it's kind of like a pink hue to it. I like that. The box for me was good. I liked it. It's worth $25 for sure. I'm glad that I got to get this Sigma brush for $3 as an add-on. I think that's all I paid for. Was, or was it $6? Or was it $12? Man, I don't know. I'm so forgetful. I'm sorry, but yeah, I did get the Sigma brush as an add-on. Got this. I love this. The bronzer, I only used one shade. I like this. Didn't try this yet. Jolie stick, I really like it. Was really pretty. This, all in all, I think the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus was definitely worth it this month. I liked it. Next, I'll be doing my Ipsy Ultimate, and I'll tell you right now, I better not say anything. Okay, so that's a cool cap if I ever seen one. Oh, that looks very neat, huh? Like that. My Carmen's home. And yeah, I gotta let you guys go. I shall see you soon. Bye!